Christmas Eve is all about family to me and the people that I love the most.
It's just a wonderful time to have everybody together and just honour those traditions and bring everybody round the table.
It's that time of year, really special time of year, where families are together, we spend time with the people that we love.
I think it's particularly important to us living over in the UK, where we want to sort of celebrate where we come from.
Ours is an Italo-English or Anglo-Italian family. We celebrated Christmas Eve in the Italian way. We'd go to late night mass and then come back and throw ourselves into this extraordinary feast which would last until the wee hours of the morning. But then Christmas Day very much in the English way.
It's a tradition actually, especially in Denmark. We dance around the tree, we hold hands and dance around the tree and sing songs.
My mum and I would spend the entire day basically just cooking and eating. We also love to decorate the entire house. Russian dolls, figurines of Ded Moroz, which is the Russian version of Santa. Decorate the table with my grandma's signature tablecloth that we brought with us when we moved to the UK.
So for Christmas Eve this year, I'm making a lovely, delicate, gorgeous golden scallop risotto with some saffron. And who doesn't love scallops? You know, I mean, they're just so delicious and so easy to cook, and they bring luxury.
The dish we're making today is called risalamande. It is a traditional Scandinavian Christmas dessert. Everyone in Sweden, Norway and Denmark will be eating this for dessert on Christmas Eve, just with various different toppings depending on the region you're from. The Danish traditional topping is a warm cherry sauce.
I am making pirozhki, which are basically individual sized pastries which are made using a very fluffy, very chewy dough that has a lot of flavor and a filling of your choice.
For me, making risotto is it's a great sensual thing. You know, you can really feel your way. It's one of those things that you must never ever take on unless you're committed.
We put a whole almond in one of the servings, and the person who finds the almond will get a prize, usually a marzipan pig or a box of chocolates.
And I still don't know how my father-in-law does it. I don't know how he managed to win every time.
Every single year, I'm not quite sure how he does that.
It's about going back to your roots, eating the food that you enjoy, the traditions that we do.
Spending time with family, reflecting on the past year, celebrating the togetherness that the date brings about.
I will be sharing it with my two sons and their partners and my grandson, who is the greatest gourmet of the family, and as many other friends or family as we can possibly squeeze in.
Hygge means to appreciate the moment that you're in while you're actually in it. Taking stock and going, I'm having a wonderful time and I'm really grateful for what I have. So Christmas is the ultimate season for Hygge.
So I wish you all Buon Natale and Felice Vigilia di Natale.
З Рождеством!
Glædelig jul!
God jul, Merry Christmas.